Have you ever wondered how plans for constructing a house are made? Well, it all starts with detailed blueprints, the lifeblood of any construction process. These are not just simple drawings, but intricate designs that encompass architectural, structural, mechanical, and electrical nuances. They're crafted meticulously by architects and engineers, employing the power of computer-aided design software. It's like painting a picture of your dream house, but with lines, dimensions, and symbols. So the first step to building a house is to create a detailed construction plan. Now, let's dive into how these plans are actually created. The process kicks off with an initial consultation with the client. This is where we get to understand their needs, their preferences, and their vision. This is the foundation of the construction plan. Next, we move on to site analysis. This is all about understanding the physical conditions of the building site. It's about the lay of the land, the direction of the sun, and other factors that can influence the design. Then, we begin the preliminary design phase. This is where rough sketches are made based on the client's requirements and the data from the site analysis. The fourth step is the final design. Here, detailed drawings are created including floor plans, elevations, and sections. Finally, we add the technical specifications. This involves detailing the materials to be used, the structural details, and the electrical and plumbing layouts. Once the construction plan is finalized, it serves as the blueprint for the actual construction process. To sum it up, the importance of a well-crafted construction plan cannot be overstated. It's the blueprint of your dream house, the guide that navigates the building process. It ensures that your finished building not only fulfills your vision, but is also safe and functional. It's a roadmap, a checklist, and a safeguard all in one. So the next time you see a house being built, remember that it all started with a detailed construction plan.